Hey everyone, it's Kimberly Shipley, and I want to show y'all what I'm going to do, a little cooking video, and see how it turns out here. Okay, I got a mixing bowl. What we're going to do, we're going to fry chicken, and I've seen this done a certain way. It's fried chicken, and the crust kind of comes on itself. So let's see if this really works. Okay, first, let's see, there it is. I'm getting some all-purpose flour. I'm going to use about a cupful. I don't think it has to be perfect, so there we go. Here's a little garlic powder. I'm going to put in this also. That way it gives it a little flavor. Now here's some pepper. Oh, it's new, so I have to open it. Let's see. Let me get something to open this pepper with. Well, yeah, it doesn't not want to come open too easy, y'all. All right. Oh, still not. There it goes. Oh. Finally. Okay. I'm just kind of putting what I want to in pepper in here. That way I can get all around. And I'll have to open the salt. I just got these new salt and pepper shakers. Put a little salt in it. Now, I did pre-wash my chicken. That's up to you whether you want to pre-wash your chicken or not. But since I pre-washed it, I also am trying to damp it off. So this does not need to be super wet. Okay. Now I've got cornstarch. If you're not familiar with what cornstarch will do, it thickens. And so that should thicken around it. Now I'm just pouring a little bit in here. About a couple of teaspoons. There. Don't want to overdo it, the cornstarch. Now, I'm going to lower my camera down a little so you can see. Okay, I've got my frying pan out. I'm putting vegetable oil in it. Now I want to kind of cover everything, so. Now, what I'm doing, I'm turning this, you want to get it to cooking first before you put the flour and the chicken in. So let's let it heat up just a little. Just the vegetable oil before I actually put the flour in. Because you don't want it to be too cold. You don't want it to be overheated. So when this just in a minute starts kind of giving a little bubble here to it, and you can see it when it goes on. It won't take long, not for vegetable oil. And we want to use this for frying. And so we're just kind of getting it heat up. Then we're going to add our mixture of the flour. Now, according to this, from what I've seen, it's supposed to, in the hot mixture, it's supposed to add the crust automatically to your food. So we will see. So letting this heat up. All right, as you notice, the grease is now changing a little bit of the color format. Let's go ahead and add our mixture in. Okay, now we want to stir the mixture. While holding the handle, of course. Looks like gravy, don't it, everybody? Place smells a little like gravy. All right, now let's add our chicken in here. We're going to turn it down just a little because we're going to fry the chicken. And again, I've done rinsed my chicken off, so. Let's see how this does, guys. We're going to fry. Wipe that liquid off there. And we're going to let it sit here and fry. I'm going to add just a little touch of salt. Just directly on the chicken. All right, let's see how it does. As you can see, it's cooking. And let's see if the crust automatically comes on it. We'll let it cook for just a few moments. All right. Now let's see. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes. So let's see if there's any crust getting on the side. Guys, look. Do y'all see that? This stuff really works. Look at there. Crust forming. Crust already forming. Here, what I'm also gonna add a little cornstarch will make it thickened. I'm gonna add just a little bit more cornstarch, because cornstarch will just make it more crustier. It ain't gonna hurt it because I definitely gotta flip it again. I'll stir it in there. So if you've never seen this cook, I was amazed when I seen this. I seen this on a video and I wanted to share it with y'all. But of course it's working, so I'm going to share it with y'all. If it hadn't worked, I wouldn't have shared it with you. So I want to give it a try first. Let's see. Yeah, it's starting to crust up on that side. Do y'all see that? So it'll take a little bit to cook. So anyway, I'll be right back. And it smells really good. So far, so good. So we'll be back. I ain't going to make y'all watch for 40 minutes or ever how long it's going to fry completely. But we'll be back here and there. I'll turn the camera on when I get ready to turn it and stuff. Just kind of let it simmer here a little bit. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to turn over the chicken again. We'll see how it's looking. Oh, look at that crust forming on that side. Looks good. And there is some crust forming on that side. As you can see, all forming on that side. I'm going to turn it up just a little. Yeah, I had seen this on a video and really wanted to try it. So, and it definitely never hurts to try something new. So it'll take a little time to get good and cooked. So we'll be back when we turn it again. Okay, as y'all can see, it is pre-crusting itself. So still got to cook for a little while longer. But I believe it's working. Let's turn this one over and kind of see what I'm saying. We'll see how it's going to turn out, y'all. We're gonna let it cook a while longer. Okay, everyone. As you can see, it's still cooking. But look, that is a harder crust coming on it, as you can see. And yeah, I mean, it is definitely harder crust. I can feel it. And this is no way have I done yet. I just wanted to get on here and kind of show y'all. It's probably about halfway done, I'd say, because I want to make sure it's good and done. See how much crust I can actually get on it too. So I really believe this is working. I want to turn over one of these pieces here. Hopefully y'all can see it. Yep, it's, as you notice, it's got crust on that side. Let's try one more piece. It's forming crust more on this side. So let's let it cook, y'all, and let it do its frying. All right, going back to the video. Look here, guys. That's starting to get really crispy. Add a little bit more cornstarch to it. And again, that's to thicken it up to make the crust a little bit more crispier. And it don't seem to be sticking to my pan too bad. Always add a little extra crust on that. Yeah, it looks like it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. The crust actually put itself on the chicken. So we'll see when it gets more towards done. I want to let it cook for a little bit longer. It's starting to look good though. And actually, it smells really good. All right, everybody, look here. One side is almost pretty much done. Hard crust. Look at that. That's some good looking piece of chicken right there, y'all. I have never heard of this before until now. And you know, I'm truly amazed at how it's working and cooking. It has popped a little grease a little bit. I mean, when is it not when you're frying chicken though, you know? So anyway, I just kind of wanted to show y'all. One side's pretty much almost done. I mean, the crust is very good looking. I mean, this is really some good looking chicken, y'all. And I'm going to show you the other side here. It's still frying a little bit. Yeah, I mean, I like how it looks so far. Looks really good. But it's got a little bit more to go, so I'll show y'all when it gets closer to done. Just showing y'all the chicken frying there. Look how crispy it is got. I mean, and that's a hard crisp around each side. I never could get my chicken that crispy. So this is amazing, y'all. It's truly amazing. Okay, everybody. Look how dark and that's looked. On each piece. I mean, look there. That's some good looking piece of chicken, y'all. And most of the crust seems like it's hard. It's definitely hard on that one. Especially on top. Now, I'm not sure about going here towards the bone, but we don't hardly eat that part anyway, so. I'm going to turn this piece around. Look at there. Looks good. All right, time to take it off, y'all. We'll show y'all how. Look at there. That's good looking chicken. Here, let me get the rest of these out of here. Look here. Never put nothing, no egg on it or anything. All I done is, you see, look there how that chicken looks. That looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Well, everybody, thank you again for joining me in this good kitchen video here of making this fabulous looking fried chicken. Can't wait to get started here a little bit on it. I still gotta cook another side before we eat it, but I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a new way I'm gonna cook chicken. I love the way it looks. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And leave a comment. Have you ever cooked your chicken like this before? This was my first, and definitely going to be how I cook my chicken. Anyway, God bless everybody. Have a nice day.